of you watching this video may not be old enough to realise that food sometimes goes out of fashion. I'm old enough that I can remember in the 80s and 90s that prawn or shrimp cocktail was on just about every menu in every restaurant and pub in the UK. These days, not so. Which is a pity, because it's a really classic dish. It's just cooked prawns or shrimp in a pink Mary Rose sauce. So let's make a Mary Rose sauce. So in this bowl I've got 80 grams of mayonnaise. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of tomato ketchup, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a couple of dashes of Tabasco sauce, and a few dashes of Worcestershire Perrin sauce. And mix well. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is our Mary Rose sauce. Nom. Now, do I use big prawns or little prawns? Big shrimp or little shrimp? Big prawn shrimp or seahorses? I don't think so. Well, the answer is I like to use both. I've got 150 grams of little diddy prawns. Nom. And I've got some bigger ones here. Now we'll add some of the pink gunge to the prawns. A couple of spoons to start with. And the idea is you want to coat the prawns. What you don't want are prawns in a sea of sauce. Now what you want is for your prawns or shrimps to be all like and not. Maybe just one more spoonful. Yeah, that's about it. That's looking good. Any more sauce than that and you wouldn't see the prawns. Now here I've got a little glass dish and I've lined it with the top halves of some little gem lettuce. I'll spoon in some prawns and then decorate with the bigger prawns. Serve with a wedge of lemon. It's just so simple. Maybe if you could serve it on a plank of driftwood, this might come back into fashion again. Why don't you let me know in the comments below the most ridiculous way in which you've had food served to you in a restaurant? Maybe it was in a bedpan or on a flotilla of moving sea snails. Let me know below. See you next time. Bye.